If you are planning to start an online store, you have probably heard about Shopify. One question many beginners ask is whether they need to buy separate hosting for their Shopify website. This is a very important topic because hosting affects your website's speed, security, reliability, and overall performance. In this video, we will explain Shopify hosting in simple terms and cover everything you need to know before launching your online store. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you choose the right tools for online success. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the link from description to get the special offers on Shopify. By using the description link, any available discounts or promotion will be applied automatically. Now, let's come to the main part of the video. One of the biggest difference between Shopify and many other website platforms is that Shopify includes hosting as part of its service. It means you do not need to purchase hosting separately from another company. When you create a Shopify store, your website is automatically hosted on Shopify infrastructure. For beginners, this is a major advantage. Instead of searching for providers, comparing server plans, and handling technical setup, everything is already included. You can focus on building your store, adding products, and growing your business. Another benefit of Shopify hosting is reliability. When customers visit your online store, you want the website to load quickly and remain available at all times. Shopify manages the servers and technical infrastructure behind the scene, helping ensure that your store stays online even during the busy shopping periods. Website speed is also important for both customer experience and sales. Slow websites can frustrate visitors and cause potential customers to leave before making a purchase. Shopify uses a global infrastructure designed to deliver content quickly to visitors around the world. This helps create a smoother shopping experience for customers. Security is another area where Shopify hosting provides value. Online stores handle customer information, payment details, and sensitive business data. Shopify includes security measures such as SSL certificates and platform level protection to help keep stores secure. This reduces the amount of technical work store owners need to manage themselves. Automatic updates are another advantage. With some of the website platforms, you must regularly update software, plugins, and security tools. Shopify handles platform maintenance automatically. This means you spend less time managing technical issues and more time to focusing on your products and customers. Many beginners also wonder about storage and bandwidth. Shopify includes the resources needed to run your store without requiring you to calculate server capacity or manage hosting upgrades manually. As your business grows, Shopify handles much of the infrastructure scaling in background. Another useful feature is content delivery optimization. Customers may visit your store from different countries and regions. Shopify's system is designed to help pages load efficiently for visitors regardless of their location. This can improve user experience and potentially support better conversion rates. Of course, there are some trade-offs. Because Shopify manages the hosting environment, you have less direct server control compared to self-hosted solutions. Advanced developers who want complete control over server settings may prefer platforms that allows more customization. However, for most of the small businesses and online store owners, the simplicity of managed hosting is a major advantage. So, do you need separate hosting for Shopify? The answer is no. Hosting is already included in your Shopify subscription. There is no need to purchase additional hosting services to launch and operate your store. You simply choose your plan, build your website, connect your domain, and start selling. For most entrepreneurs, this all-in-one approach makes Shopify one of the easiest ways to start an online store. You don't need any technical expertise, don't need any server management skill, or you don't need any hosting knowledge to get started. That brings us to the end of this video. Hopefully, you now have a clear understanding of how Shopify hosting works and what it includes. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe this channel, and check the link from description for any available Shopify offers. And with that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.